This orange light has made hundreds of appearances on my channel. But in testing various China products and other bulbs and that, I use this little plug-in fixture all the time, so the bulb goes in and out of there, and is sometimes just twisted, to shut it off. And sadly, it has burned out. This was the bulb that I had in there. I had a replacement left. I don't know if I have any more. I don't think so. These bulbs are hard to come by. They're made by SATCO. And I don't remember the exact number of the bulb. I'll try to look that up and put it on screen here. I used to get these bulbs at independently owned dollar stores, typically run by Indian people, but it really doesn't make a difference who it's owned by. Maybe they're just buying stuff, they don't know what it is. I don't know who else actually buys these bulbs. They're supposedly meant for signs and scoreboards and things like that. Whatever. But I needed replacements, and I don't really have any independently owned dollar stores near me. Really just your typical Dollar Tree, and that's about it, and they certainly don't carry these. So I went on the hunt online, and a BOX has arrived. So let's open it up. Oh, LGR and the 8-bit guy are going to be very, very jealous. I have packing peanuts. I had purchased 4 bulbs, and I received this box that has 5. So I thought, oh great, awesome. And then I opened it and found, uh-oh, there's 1 bulb missing. That's right. They sell you however many you need, and I guess because it was 4, they decided to just take the 1 bulb out, and they make their other packs up as such. It gave me no indication that they came as a 5 bulb pack, and you certainly didn't get any discount for buying 5. But here they are, display sign bulbs, 7.5 watt, S11. These are S3610 SATCO bulbs. So now we get to try them all out and make sure they all work. Also note, it says they last for 2,500 hours. Now, you're never going to get 2,500 hours, okay? I mean, that's just, it's like your car. 25 miles to the gallon city, 30 miles to the gallon highway, you get 18, and that's as good as it gets. Okay, so you're not getting 2,500. It depends all on usage and how much it's turned on and off and handled and a million zillion other things. So we're going to go ahead and try these out and make sure they all work. I don't know if the camera can really make it out, but the bulb on the right is certainly a bit more orange than the rest of them. So maybe they changed whatever paint they're using, and that's that. But we're going to go ahead and try each one of these out and make sure they work and how crappy the paint job actually is. Excellent. That'll work. That one looks pretty good too. Third one. Yay! They're actually a really nice shade of orange. They're a bit brighter than the other one because it has a bit darker orange paint on it, so they will appear brighter and that. Good. They all work. And just for fun, let me put my other one in the socket next door. And we'll see if the camera will make any sense of that. Let me shut the light. So maybe you could tell. I kind of like the darker orange, but whatever. As long as they work, that's the main thing. And the camera will never pick this up, but this bulb, because it is orange, appears almost white. The camera just doesn't do this justice. So now we'll put all of that back together. We'll swap this bulb back over. And also remember, like I said, 2,500 hours, even if we take that to mean that, yes, it definitely is going to last 2,500 hours, typically this timer, which is just to the right, is, that's squeaky. If I can get this lined up. There we go. This timer is only turned on for about an hour, hour and 15 at a clip. So that means 2,500 times I would have to turn that on. Theoretically, of course, it's going to last a lot less, I understand. But even so, it's still a considerable amount of time. And I don't know how many years the old bulb was in there. It's been in there for quite some time for sure. So anyway, I'm glad I was able to find these. I actually found them on Amazon, and they came to about $1.85 a bulb. And for a specialty, very specialty bulb like this, I don't think that's too bad, considering these independent dollar stores, they're not $1. They're $1.59, $1.79, maybe even $2.19. You never know. So I figure even with, I had to actually pay shipping on it, even though I had Prime, it didn't count for that. So anyways, that's it. I have orange bulbs for a very, very long time now, and I'm very happy about that. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.